Say hello to Albert. His gorgeous new office tower isn't just easy on the eyes, it's easy on the planet. That's because it's built with the greenest technologies, including a super efficient active chilled beam solution from Dadanco. Of course, Albert could have played it safe and gone with a traditional All-Air HVAC system for his pride and joy, but they rely on big, energy-wasting fans. At the heart of Dadanco's active beam is an ingenious nozzle design. As a small volume of primary air is discharged here via the nozzles, a large volume of room air is induced across the heat exchanger coil. When cooling, chilled water is circulated, and when heating, hot water is used, efficiently maintaining tenant comfort. So, what does Albert love about this system? There are 4 massive benefits, actually. First, there's efficiency. Active beams rely on the superior heat transfer properties of water versus air, meaning you only need to circulate small volumes of water to do the same amount of cooling as air, saving energy along the way. Meanwhile, to effectively cool a space, the water circulating through the coil need only be chilled to a temperature just above the room dew point. That means the dedicated chiller uses less energy to deliver the same cooling. When you add up all these savings, it's easy to see why active beams are so efficient. Second, while active beams still require dehumidified air from the central plant, they require a lot less primary air, meaning lower fan power and smaller ductwork. This allowed Albert to fit more floors into his building spec. And more floors means more leasable office space. You go, Albert! Third, because the total volume of air distributed is fairly small, it can be comprised of 100% outside air. This offers a fresher tenant environment with no more stale air being recirculated through the building. And fourth, active beams have no moving parts or filters, making them virtually maintenance-free and far less expensive over their lifetimes. At first, Albert was skeptical about active beams until he realized that the technology is similar to perimeter induction units, which were commonly used until the mid-70s. Engineered to run at lower pressure and noise levels and designed to fit into the ceiling, active chilled beams have all of the reliability and none of the drawbacks of the old PIU systems. When Albert and his team added up all the great things about active beams, including efficiency, space savings, better air quality, lower maintenance costs, and tried and tested technology, the choice to use Dadanco's active chilled beam was a no-brainer. Now, thanks to active beams, these guys couldn't be prouder of this lean and green building. A true masterpiece, wouldn't you say, Albert? Learn more at Dadanco.com.